So if I have the gloves in my hand, I can do whatever magic you have seen Adam Gilchrist or MS Dhoni doing at a lower level, anyways. Contact us and we can do a obligation-free health check on their mortgages. So it is more about the long-term game and the bigger picture rather than just one loan with the lowest interest rate.
Hello and welcome everyone to our next episode of Gen X Championship Talk Show. In today's show, we have got a very special guest. He is one of our gold sponsor who has recently joined our club. He is amazing person. Hello Sandeep ji, how are you?
I'm good, Ankit. How are you?
I'm very good, Sandeep. Welcome to our show and thanks for giving your time.
Thank you. Pleasure. Okay. Yes, Ankit, you mentioned that I've joined you as a gold sponsor and not as a participant. But if you guys allow me, I can be a good wicketkeeper batsman myself. Played cricket for over 20 years. Unfortunately, I haven't got the touch yet. But once you learn how to ride a bicycle, I don't think you forget. So if I have the gloves in my hand, I can do whatever magic you have seen Adam Gilchrist or MS Dhoni doing at a lower level, anyways. To be honest, look, I have a finance broking business, which is FinSource. I run that, but I am a very passionate sportsman. I play and organize and sponsor over 35 soccer tournaments.
Amazing.
And I have my own team where we play and we absolutely have a ball. As far as cricket, no team at the moment is short of wicket keepers. Otherwise, you would have seen my skills in cricket. And I'm really pleased with the efforts you guys are making in organizing these tournaments. So whatever I can do as a passionate sports fan to promote this sport, I'll be more than happy to be a part of this journey.
Amazing, Sandeep. I think you are one of the most passionate person I've ever met who is very passionate about sports. Very good to know you more. Okay.
Look, FinSource, we started towards the late 2016. So we are close to 5 years into this finance broking business. We have helped about 350 to 400 clients into their own homes. So we are a household name at the moment in the Western and Southwestern Sydney. We help our clients build portfolios, property portfolios. So everybody has a niche. If you ask a broker what is that they love or doing, we love helping families build their dreams. So we will not be talking or calling our clients talking about who's got the cheapest rate and who's got a refinance cashback. That is just a part of the service which we follow. We will help clients to buy their first home. An immigrant landing into Australia, how to get the first home. Once you buy the first home, how to get into multiple properties and pay off the owner-occupied home faster. And rather than working till the 67 year of age, how to retire a bit faster by doing some smart things. So we are not about cheap options, but we are about growth options.
You nailed it down very well, because when I bought my first property 2018, I was looking for the cheapest interest rate from mortgage broker, but I was not thinking how can I buy my second or third property. I think that was I have missed the plot and I am basically lagging 3 years behind my goal. So I completely understand that point now. Thank you.
So look, when you come for a loan, I don't look, the mortgage broking service is a bit underestimated. A lot of people who want to buy homes, the typical things which I hear is, I don't want to pay LMI, I want to buy the home with the cheapest interest rate and all. What I think is, a person should think how to get more value out of the service and how to maximize what I can buy, how quick I can buy, and how better I can buy. What we do is we have a panel of 30 other lenders, which every other broker would have, and depending on their expertise and depending on their passion, they would be able to do what is best for the clients. So honestly speaking, when it comes to us, we will try to see not a property as one transaction, but what can be done, how it can be done, and then the lenders and the products with a cheaper interest rate, LMI waivers and all will come into play. So it is more about the long-term game and the bigger picture rather than just one loan with the lowest interest rate.
Now, I'm talking from a first homeowner perspective. Usually, we don't believe, like, we always trust the banks, but not anyone who's coming in between. So how it can be different while a first homeowner going to HSBC Bank or basically Combank Bank, then coming to you? Why they should not go to the bank and come to you?
Absolutely. So look, if you walk into a CBA or a Westpac branch and get a loan, they would do the best for you what is available in their basket. So you don't know what CBA or Westpac or HSBC is offering. Is there anything better in the market? We can find that out for you. Now, a lot of first home buyers will buy units. A lot of first home buyers who are buying units or properties in those highly popular suburbs, there will be loan to value in LVR restrictions, ratio restrictions, where certain banks will not lend certain amount of money or over certain percentage. That is where we come handy. Other thing which I think is important is what is good for the client. What are the banks which offer the 85% or 90% LMI waivers for first home buyers? These are lot of banks, lot of better banks do not have branches. To have a better access to the lenders who have the better options, and comparing whether the option you're getting with a big four bank is better with some banks which you don't see the shop fronts with. This is where we can come in handy. So if a lender at the branch is comparing 50 products from one bank, we'll compare about 50 from other 30 lenders and come back with what is good for you. But more than the product, it is all about what can be done, how better it can be done.
Absolutely. Thanks, Anik. I really agree to it, because I think I'm working in a CBA, and basically you're going to CBA, you only know what CBA rates are offering. But when you compare to other banks, you got to know that they got much cheaper options available. And also what I've realized with talking to my friends is CBA was not offering any loans for apartments in Parameter at one time because they were oversaturated. But at the same time, other banks were basically offering it. So if a person going to CBA realize that he may not buy an apartment, but when he go to you, maybe he'll know that there are other banks who are actually offering the lending.
We provide options. Absolutely.
Okay. Next question is, there are a lot of complex scenarios basically which comes across where a person being told that you cannot borrow a loan, or maybe so any those kind of scenarios you've handled and actually worked out?
Look, when you help 400 clients, there will be a curved one every other week. And look, what I've commonly seen is people going into branches, they do not want to extract equity, and a lot of times they end up with properties cross-collateralized. When they want to sell a property, they're in trouble where they had to pay off things and juggle cash before it can be done. So look, we come across complex scenarios a lot of times where people have a lot of constraints. So when a client speaks to us, what we do is we will not look at a loan or a lender in the first place until we understand the situation. What is the bottleneck? When we know the bottleneck, that's when the solution is derived. It is just like a doctor, diagnosis done and things are sorted. So we have worked with complex scenarios like anything, where people are selling properties, buying something, put some money at some place where the valuations are not stacking up. We can confidently say till date, none of our clients have lost a deposit.
Oh, amazing. That's something special I've never heard before. So I think that's amazing to hear that. Now, very important question, which always there in everyone's mind. How your services are a bit different from other competitors who are also doing the same thing?
Look, everybody will try to do better for their clients. What I probably try to do is, it is not a transaction. So if Ankit comes to me for a loan, I don't look at Ankit as a one person doing one loan. One happy Ankit is worth three more, because Ankit will share the success story with three clients. And if each one of them buys 2 or 3 properties, you guys are going to help my business for a number of years, and it just goes on multiplying. So what I believe is, rather people will need a multitude of services when they buy. Just to give you an example, I'll share my screen with you, Ankit, and I'll share with you what sort of inputs we can have when you buy a property and how we can help you. Say, look, there is a lot of services that clients need when they buy a property. That includes the solicitors, building inspectors, tradies, whatnot, and more than one property. When you're wanting to build a portfolio, you need the financial planners, accountants. So we are a team of professionals who work with clients to make sure they can take their journey further. Say, for example, a client comes to me and asks me how much is the property worth. This is a simple example. A lot of people will have access to it. A lot of brokers will have access to it, but we have access to these type of reports, which probably can show you, what is happening in the area, how the properties are selling in the area, right? And are you buying it at a right price? Lot of people think money is made when they sell a property. I think money is made when you buy a property smartly. So these types of professional reports, which you don't find in the open market, which people like us will have access to, they can benefit out of these. So when my clients come to me for a loan, they will have a pre-approval, they will go house hunting. When they find the property, they will come back to me and say, hey, this is the property, XYZ property, we're looking at this price, what do you think? We'll go through these reports, we'll look at our expertise and all, we'll tell the client what we think. We would probably recommend what we think about it. And that's why, if we can save money for the clients when they buy a property by 20,000-30,000 while they're buying it, it's much more than getting the cheapest interest rate.
That's amazing. Something opened my eyes, because when I bought my properties, I initially thought that mortgage broker will wait for the valuation to come from the bank and then advise us. But I think you are one step ahead, where you can take out the report and get an average price about it before it comes to the bank, because that's something I haven't seen much service. So it's a great service.
Thank you.
Okay.
So look, how our model works is when say, for example, one of your cricket players comes and gets a loan to us, they do not pay us fees. Mortgage brokers are paid by the bank to get them a loan. So a person may think, oh, I may recommend X bank because they pay me 10 times more than what other banks pay. No, it is all regulated. And what we get paid, we'll share with the clients what we are getting paid in a document, so they know what is being paid by the bank. So the clients don't pay us any fees to get our services. But what we can do is, I'm a passionate sportsman, and I know what effort and what pressure you guys go through when you organize these tournaments. So what I can do is, I have a sponsorship agreement, and we can have a sponsorship agreement. A part of the money which comes from the commission when the player gets a loan goes back to the sports tournament. So we can have better prizes, better celebrations, and better outcomes for the players, better venues to play football, cricket. So we can as part of money will definitely go back to these competitions, and this should help us make this a bigger tournament.
Awesome. I'm so excited to hear that. Thanks a lot, Sandeep.
This is an offer for players and supporters and fans, whoever wants to understand whether they are doing things right, whether they are in the right place, whether they are doing things in a better way, or is there a better way to do it. Contact us and we can do an obligation-free health check on their mortgages and see, are they first doing things right? If they are, how can they get to the next level? And if they are not, if the things aren't that great, we can help them to restructure the finances in terms of borrowings and all, and we can help them take that next step and go further ahead. So obligation-free health check, give us a call.
Amazing. Thanks, Sandeep. Probably my last message to all the viewers and my friends: there is no harm in getting a health check done, and there is no harm in coming to one of the best persons in the town. Maybe give a try. There is no harm in trying it and seeing. Maybe you can find the service by yourself. If you like it, please do recommend and refer other friends. If you don't like it, please do come and let us know the feedbacks. That will be something what we're looking forward to. So that's
absolutely, and that way feedbacks will help us improve.
Absolutely. Sure. That's it. Thank you very much, Sandeep, and thanks for your time. Really appreciate it. Thanks, guys.
Thank you for your kind words, and thank you for the opportunity, Ankit. I'm looking forward to work with you guys.
Thank you. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.